What's up, folks? John back here again with another recap. Today is Wednesday, the 2nd of August. So big down day today, and I wasn't able to watch the market the whole time, but I was able to kind of peek in at one point and took a really brief scalp trade, which if I would have held on to it, of course, it's kind of the same old story. It would have been a real fatty. It was just real hard today. It's one of these days where it was just so brutally down. I was just very, whenever I would peek at the market, I just was concerned about that grind up and getting caught in that whenever I decided to short. But you know, if I look back at like any of the positions where I would have shorted, would have worked out perfectly. So a little bit of a tough one, but at the end of the day, I made a little bit of money, and again on this small account, that's about 4% on the account, so that's not too bad actually. So I'm gonna try and take a positive out of it. It's, you know, at some point it is gonna get a little bit laughable. Maybe now it's laughable, but you know, but again, you know, profit is profit, and at the end of the day, like I said, I am stacking money up, so I don't think I should be too upset. I'm happy to make money instead of lose money, so that's I'm headed in a really good direction, on a good trend. I just need to be able to hold a bit longer and have some more conviction when I get into some of these. So anyways, let me go over the trade. So I only took one today. It was the Qs. So let me go to the monitor tab here. So let me share my screen. That would help. So here's the monitor tab. You can see I got in the Qs at 11:20. Got out really quick at 11:21. So I was in the trade for like a minute. I got in at 101.02. Got out at 111. So I made 9 cents. About $9. I'll show you where I got in. So when I had peeked back in, I had, number one, we obviously went down. This was really nice, but you know, not something I necessarily would have taken. So anyhow, this would have been a good setup right here when this touched down on that second ORB fib here, and then rejected, and then put in this candle right here to reject, or looking at like seeing this one right here, that nice 10-minute, and getting in at some point, and then you got a really nice drop. So where I got in, when I came and actually was able to pop in today, this had already happened. So I kind of watched that happen right at the end there. So I was like, dang it, man, that was it right there. And I was really concerned, especially since we were at this kind of second ORB low fib area. I was concerned that we were going to get a pop. We were also at this other long-term fib, the 78.6. I was a little concerned about that. Like this one here is actually a really big time frame one. Like if I really expanded the daily chart of the Qs, I think it's from like the top to I don't know where. Hold on, where the hell? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. So if I opened this up, whoa, it's way back here. Oh, I can't even. I'd have to make it bigger. But basically, it's from like the last high down to this most recent like long-term low. So anyways, that was a very important fib. So I was thinking, like, man, this is sketchy. I feel like there's a good chance it'll recover this. But you know, in fact, it went below it, and then you had this retest, and I saw this 10-minute close really nicely as a rejection. So I got in there, and honestly, I was just, I don't know. I was so concerned because this candle kind of went back and forth on me, because you know, you can see in the 5-minute we had an up candle. But anyways, I ended up getting out in this second 10-minute candle ultimately when there was a push down, because it pushed down pretty good, like near low of day, and I just didn't want to get screwed buying puts at low of day. That's just it can be a very dangerous thing typically. This happened to be a bloody day, and it is what it is. So I was trading scared in that because we had already gone down so much. So I really don't feel that I don't think I should feel too bad about being kind of sketchy in that trade and like really just looking for a scalp because I'd missed that move. So that's what I did. But you know, you can see if I just would have kind of held on here and waited to see if it actually finished rejecting at this level here, it would have worked out perfectly, broken the lows and kept on going. Now I don't know how long for sure I would have held on, but you know, it would have been, I mean, geez, I think when I was looking at it, of course it was so annoying when I looked later, but you know, it would have been at least like 50 cents or something if I would just come down in here. So, but hey, it is what it is. I will take $9. I'm not gonna, hopefully this isn't my last day to trade, so I've got a lot more days of trading available, so I'm just gonna be patient and keep on chugging along. So that is my recap for today. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I will talk to you soon. Take care.